Alright, good morning guys. After bowling the prom last night, I honestly have no idea what's gonna happen, but I brought urethane out as an option. Aspect and Zen look pretty good in practice session, but crossing the house, they seem pretty different. I bowled on the high end, they were really tight. Practice session I bowled on my starting pair, and they hooked a ton. I don't really know what to expect, but I got plenty of options, so we'll see how it goes.
Alright, well, 3-game update, 30 under, 2-0, 2-0, 160. I mean, they're not super hard. A lot of transitioning with the changes I've been making and just trying to bowl at the same time stuff. But just gonna work through it, try to get comfortable for next week. I mean, by no means am I out of it for this week. I'm fighting a lot of things I shouldn't have to fight when I'm competing, so see how today goes. practice. I might be the worst bowler on tour right now. I just need to be better. I just got to get better. Like, I'm at a point where I can't repeat shots. My speed control's not very good, and I just can't do what I need to do to compete out here right now. So, gonna take these next 6 games and really try to key in on what I need to do to be solid for next week. And if we have a chance, cool. But we're probably gonna be close to 200 out with 6 to go. So, we'll see how it goes. Probably not going to make it, but making some physical changes. I'm feeling different, which I feel is good. Mikey's really close. He's blowing pretty good right now, so hopefully he can keep going and get up on in there. And I'm pretty sure Chris is still blowing good, so at least a couple of us are coming along. Bubble 240. Things are looking up. Swing's feeling a little freer. We're chipping away. Getting a little bit better every time. That's it. Another weekend of participating. I don't really know. It's It's so hard out here when you're not in a good place because you can't compete, but you can't really take time off because you have to bowl for the points. And at this point, you know, I still feel like taking the week off might have been the play because in my mind I can't win right now. And you can't walk into a tournament thinking that way. I do feel like I got better though. I broke it down, focused on one thing. I do feel like I feel like I'm better at the line. I feel like I'm better offhand. It sucks not being in contention every single week. My best finish this tour season's been 55th. The players, basically. Yeah, I mean I finished 11th in the region, but that's equivalent to 55th because there's 5 regions. So I don't know. Mikey should make it. Chris should make it. So I'll be behind the cam again tomorrow, giving you guys updates. Hopefully the work we're putting in is I mean I know it's for something bigger. It just sucks that we have to go through things like this. And it's all my fault. I have no one else to blame. It's all on me. I just need to work harder and be more diligent in my off time and figure out how to balance life because it just is what it is. So we'll see you tomorrow. At least there's going to be another vlog tomorrow. At least some guys are bowling good. All right, peace.